my channel. I'm Rini and you're watching DIY with Rini. Today, first of all, let me wish you all a very happy Diwali. We are actually officially getting into the Diwali week and I'm super excited to show you all multiple decoration videos, especially for the whole Diwali theme and Diwali decoration. I hope you really like this. This part which I'm going to do, this is basically the part 1 of the Diwali decorations series. Before we jump into the video, I want to tell you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's start. So this is the foyer entry. This is a shoe rack of the house. I'll take you through a few rearrangements I've done to this place, which was initially empty. So I have these two Ottoman storage seatings and it was initially placed together. I wanted to give the space a warm look, so to begin with I got these polished. You can see it's shining now. Polishing your furniture once a while brings that shine back on them. And I wanted to give some difference to this area, so I picked up a flower vase that was at home. And since it's festival, I went ahead with some real flowers. I love wildflowers. You can always choose your color. Next, I moved this bedside table and placed it in between the Ottoman seats. Place the flower vase on the small coffee table, put some colorful cushion over the seating, and the space has suddenly started to look all cozy. Rearranging furniture once a while gives a completely new look to your house. Now I took this old serving dish that was at home, poured some water, placed some water growing plant, and to give this one a contrast, I placed a cake jar which I had collected long back, filled it with water, put some ajwain plant inside. It's also good if it's grown inside your house. It's so aromatic. Look at the contrast of colors. Now I had this basket at home. Keep this one inside and it looks so boho. Now is the favorite part of the house, the entrance decor. I placed a table runner. I got this from Fab India. And then I placed a ceramic piece on the shoe rack, which I'll be putting some flowers and diya on Diwali. I'm not lighting the diyas as of now. I'll be doing another video on the house tour on the day of Diwali. So I'll show it to you then. Now this is a 3-set candle holder I picked from Home Center again on a huge discount. It looks so classy and I didn't even have to pay a lot to get it. So it's double the happiness. And then there are these birds, they are metal birds, and I just place them together. And then this mosaic plate and some fresh flowers. Since there are a lot of items below, I wanted to keep the key holder quite simple. So this is a white key holder that I spot at Pepper Fry. It just makes the area look so subtle and elegant. Then I have these two ceramic diya holders, and this is also very so desi looking. And I have this piece. I always had this. And then there are these two shelves. We call it the travel shelf because all the pieces that are picked from different places we've traveled, and everything has a story to tell. hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up and also don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications of my videos. Stay tuned guys, I'll be back with a part 2 video of my Diwali decoration. Until then, see ya.